بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. Dear students, क्या आपने मैथ्स की वीडियोस देखी और आपने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया तो उसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें. आओ बच्चों अपनी क्लास शुरू करते हैं. This is your maths class. Now we will read numbers poem. 1, 2, how are you? 3, 4, wash the floor. 5, 6, touch your lips. 7, 8, open the gate. 9, 10, tiger in the den. Okay student, look at here. Dear students, yesterday we have learned about 1. Today I will repeat again 1. This is 1. 1 means 8. This is 1 and this is 1 color. This is 1 and this is 1 color. 1 means 8. यहाँ पे हमारा जो नंबर है वो है 1. 1 मीन 8 और यहाँ पे हमारे पास 1 कलर है. Okay student, today our topic is 2. 2 mean 2 things. 2 mean 2 things. Today I will clear the concept of 2. मतलब एक से जब ज़्यादा हो जाए तो उसको हम 2 कहते हैं. 2 चीज़ों को हम 2 कहते हैं. Look at here. What is this? Look at here. This is 2 and these are oranges. Okay student, can you count this? How many are these? Yes, very good. These are 2. 1, 2. How many oranges are there? 2. This is 2 and these are 2. Oh, look at here student. What are these? These are cups. Yes, very good. These are cups. These are cups. Okay, can you count? Yes, very good. How many are these? Yes, very good. These are 2 cups. Again say, these are 2 cups. Yes, very good. This is 2 and these are 2 cups. 1, 2. 1, 2. This is 2 and these are 2 cups. Okay student, look at here. What is this? Yes, these are balls. What is this? These are balls. Can you count? How many are these? These are 2 balls. Very good students. Tell me again. How many balls are there? There is 2 balls. 1, 2. These are 2 balls. These are 2 balls. Okay student, now look at here. I will repeat again. This is 2 and these are 2 balls. This is 2 and these are 2 balls. Look at here students. What is this? Yes, these are sharpeners. These are sharpeners. Can you count? How many are these? Yes, count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. These are 2 sharpeners. Oh, look at here again. This is 2 and these are 2 sharpeners. 1, 2. One is green and one is pink. Okay, again say this is 2 and these are 2 sharpeners and these are 2 sharpeners. Okay students, look at here. You know student, what are these? These are flashcards. These are flashcards. Can you count? How many flashcards are there? Yes, very good. 1, 2. 1, 2. There is 2 flashcards. Okay students, look at here. I will repeat again. This is 2 and these are 2 flashcards and these are 2 flashcards. This is 2 and these are 2 flashcards. So बच्चों, आज हम कौन से नंबर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? आज हम नंबर 2 के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. 2. Tell me again. 2. आप भी मेरे साथ बोलें. 2. 2. मुहतरम वालिदैन, आप अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठकर इसी तरीके से मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों से 2 की पहचान करवा सकते हैं. आप अपने बच्चों को टाइम दें. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. ओके बच्चों, अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.